While we are out here welding today, I wanted to give everybody a really interesting health and safety reminder, something you guys may not know about when welding certain types of metal. All the sheet metal I use when welding my door shut is all a type of metal known as galvanized metal. What that means is there's a coating on this metal, and when you start welding it, it's going to actually bubble up and give that white little smoky look, which is right here on this stuff. It did the same thing. See a little clouded look? And when you're doing that, there'll be like little white particles floating in the air that comes off the coating of this metal. When you're welding, you're going to notice it has a very distinctive smell to galvanized metal. If you actually breathe in too much of those fumes, it can actually make you sick. Now, not to the point where you're going to die from this. You'd have to take a lot of that stuff in to actually kill you from galvanized metal when you weld it. But always have good ventilation to keep the fumes from galvanized metal out from going into your system. If you are indoors, like I am currently, the fumes will be a lot worse, and no matter what, you're going to be breathing them in. Now, there is a trick to this. I actually looked this up online. There is a specific disease or a sickness from this. Believe it or not, it is called metal fume fever. Look it up. I'm not joking at all. Google it, metal fume fever. It exists, and you get sick from welding on galvanized metal from it. And the conditions of it is just like food poisoning. You're going to get a really upset stomach. You're not going to be hungry. You're going to be throwing up. You'll have a headache. Really bad stuff. It tears you up for like a whole day. I myself had this happen to me once. Way back when I first started welding with galvanized metal, I had no idea this stuff could make you sick. I wasn't paying attention. I did not ventilate the area and had some pretty sickness going on that next day. It'll hit you right away the next day. You'll know. So there is a counter to this. If you are going to breathe it in, the internet says drink milk before and after you are welding. And supposedly the milk, if you put it into your stomach, when you breathe the fumes in, the milk actually helps absorb some of the pollutants that are in this galvanized stuff when you're welding it, and it will not make you sick. I'm like, no way, milk just doing that well? Well, I did it. I took milk, and I do this every single time now I weld galvanized metal. Drink a glass of milk before you weld and drink another glass of milk after you're done welding, and you will not get sick. I've never had a problem getting sick again from welding galvanized metal. Really crazy stuff, but it does work. So I just wanted to give you guys that little tidbit information. I know a lot of people do not know about it. If you're not using galvanized metal, then you're perfectly fine. Go ahead and weld away. You don't have to worry about it. But if you are in my situation where you have to use it, there you go. No longer getting sick.